Good morning. This is Frank with the Morning Quick Shot brought to you by Trade Stalkers and NINZA Pro Traders. It's Monday, September 19th. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time. I'm in a remote area with a bad internet connection, so we're going to get through this as quick as possible and hope everybody has a great day trading. Looks like we had overnight open session of 32.25, just a small pull back to the 31.50. And then we bounced right off of there above the 24 VWAP and rode it all the way up to a double top up here at 21.44. Since pulled back and are working our way back up into this area. If we were expecting it to continue on up into here this morning, so we're looking for a move up to 48 and come back and test this 43 area. Okay, maybe even this 42.75 area, getting a bounce here, moving up into the next zone. Right up in here, let's scroll this down just a little bit, tighten it up on a small laptop. Close this, there we go. Alright, so next zone up is 54. So as we bounce off of here, look forward into this 48, 49. Possibly another pullback again to just at the top of the zone, maybe not. We'll look for it to move up into this 53, 55 zone, right up into this area. Sellers are probably going to step in. If they step in hard, we're going to pull all the way back to this zone again and retest this overnight high right in here. If it's 44.50, 44.25 in this area, possibly even where this 24 VWAP is, whenever it starts moving up with the morning session. After that, after this up here, continue to move up here. If we get this pullback, a relatively safe one, about to 52 or so, look for the move up for the next targets. So we scroll down here, next targets from this 55, 2160 psychological level. So, and then right into this zone at 62.75. Look for some consolidation in this area. And then actually as we move up into this next zone, what we could do is form a really big consolidation area between this 69 area to this 61 area. Get kind of ugly in through here, okay? Need to watch it real close. Actual market profile is right around 68 area, somewhere in here in the middle of this zone, so be cautious of that. This is the point where we probably get a major reversal for the downside for the day if the sellers really want to step in. Possible targets are all the way up into the 76, but I don't expect that today. So let's look to the downside. All right, if we come down here and fail, if we come up here and we fail this for the third time, look for the pullback all the way below the 24-hour VWAP to test this again, and probably down into this zone. Now, this is yesterday's open, Friday's open, I should say. Right in the middle of this zone is around that 36.50 area. Maybe look for it to test off of here, possibly run down just a little bit, and try to come up back and retest this 24-hour VWAP and fill down and come all the way back down to today's open at 32.50, 30 somewhere in there, 32. All right, overnight low 31.25. Look for the bounce back up into this zone. Now, if we can get clear of the zone again at the top side and test this, wait for a close above the 24-hour VWAP before we're taking longs. Otherwise, look for this second push back to the down, this time coming down into this zone here, probably pushing down into Friday's lows of 21.23. Look for the retest coming up here of today's lows of 32, and then right back down through this. Look for the consolidation area through here again a little bit this morning, if this is the direction we go. Then follow this down to the next zones down here, a possible 21.15, and then after that, you know, it's kind of all bets are off. But we've seen how this works over the last couple of weeks. Whoops, trying to get this to move up. There we go. So we've got possible lows again back into this 21.17 area and 21.15, but we have a zone here at 14, so it could bleed all the way into the zone coming through the 17 and reverse and go right back up strong to the long side. So keep an eye on this. Any point along this these zones and profiles, which I haven't got totally drawn on this chart yet, where I'll show you on the next charts. Good place for possible rotations. Lows today possibly around this 25, even this psychological double bounce area, 2103 area. And then, of course, we could bleed all through there. There is some possibility that we come down here. Oops. Oh, come on. Sorry about this. Laptop's giving me fits this morning here. Okay, we'll scroll down here. Right down into this area, the 87 area. So be real cautious of this. A possible move down here, even if we don't have it. So quickly, we'll just see if we can take a look at market profile. If I can get this working on this laptop. It's mainly the internet is the issue. Here we go, 4-hour chart first of all. All right, coming right back up into here. Scroll this over. Here we go. And then back up here this morning. apologize for this, but sometimes just you have to operate from remote areas. It's just the way it goes. Close this up. All right. As you can see from over the last few days, we've hit this low at 2106. Shows it right in here, and then we move right back up to the 60 area, pulled back. So we're now hitting off this 38.2 retracement down into here, and went straight up. We're pulling back. We're trying to make this move to the upside. Okay, Friday we're pushing up into this 56 or 46 area again, and so this is what we're looking for: pullbacks into this area. If we can hold above this 31 on the next little pullback, look for a close above 46. If we can get into this 46 area and stay closed above it, look for the next move back up to double top up here at this 2160, and then move back into the middle of the zone, probably around the 50 area, something like that, 52 area. Remember from the other chart. Now, key to this is we got to break and hold above this 60 to get this 68. Big reversal possible area. We got to make cross this double top to see what's going on here. Okay. So as we scroll down here, you can see where these moves are. But if we can clear this 67, this is why we can look for the next move up to the 80. Don't expect that today, but use these long-term marker profiles to help guide you through the day and keep you out of trouble. Just a quick look at the daily. You can see the overall daily moves as we come up. Same deal. Coming up to this 45 to clear, 59, 66, up in the 79, 80 area. All right. So this is Frank with TradeStalkers.com, and if you have any questions, contact me. Have a great day.